Hi guys, welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, mag-discuss naman tayo ng differential equation, sorry mga lodi. So bali mag-advance na tayo. So tapos na natin yung mga chapter ng yung tawag mo dito, yung variable separable, elimination of arbitrary constant, family of curves, tsaka yung ibang application. So proceed naman tayo dun sa mga lodi. Dun tayo sa linear equations with constant coefficients. So, dun tayo sa first topic natin, yung auxiliary equation, yung may distinct roots. So, for example, meron akong differential equation na d squared plus 3d minus 4 quantity y equals 0. Tandaan natin ang ibig sabihin ng d squared dito mga lodi, the independent variable is x. Meaning na yung d squared, that is y double prime, yung d is y prime, tapos kapag constant, y lang siya mga lodi. So, ano ibig sabihin distinct roots? So, yung d squared, papalitan natin ng m squared. Parang yung d, isa-set natin as m. So, ganito yung magiging auxiliary equation natin. So, yung d is-set natin as m, we have m squared plus 3m minus 4. Tapos yung y, wag nyo nang pabayaan nyo na yan, equal 0. So, by quadratic, factoring, so we have m plus 4 multiplied by m minus 1 equal 0. Ano yung magiging roots natin? M equals negative 4, M equals 1. So, ganito lang yan mga lodi. Pag magkaiba yung roots natin, kasi ngayon yung una nating topic, distinct roots, automatic, since second derivative yan, dalawa yung constant. Kung ilan yung derivative, yun yung lalagay natin na bilang ng constant. Therefore, ang sagot dito mga lodi, that is y equals c1 e raised to negative 4x plus c2 e raised to x. So, yan ay magiging, tawag mo dito, general solution. So, ito yung, differential equations natin. Ito yung general solution. Kapag nakakuha ka ng number na root, or na number na, yun ang sagot dito, automatic, exponent yun ni e. Kumbaga, ito is ax, ito yung bx, e raised to ax, e raised to bx, ganun siya mga lodi. Okay? So, sige, try pa natin. So, number 1 yan. So, this is general solution. Mamaya, try din natin mag-solve ng particular. So, kunyari, number 2. Try natin, medyo mahirap agad. Dun tayo sa d cube. So, that is d cube plus 6d squared plus 11d plus 6 quantity y equals 0. So, kapag more than 2 na yung degree natin, so, for example, in this case, meron na tayong 3 degree. So, yung degree natin is 3. Ang pinaka-best way is to perform synthetic division. So, bali, i-check lang natin siya through trial and error. Pero, may basehan yung trial and error natin. Ang magiging basehan natin, mga lodi, is kung ano ba yung factors nitong 6. Ano ba factors ng 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. Kasama yung negative. Hindi pwede yung positive 1. Bakit? 1, substitute natin yun, di ba? 1, 6, 11, 6. Pag inad mo, puro positive. I-try natin yung negative 1. So, that is 1, 6, 11, 6. Marunong pa mag-synthetic, mga lodi, marunong ba? So, that is, try natin yung negative 1. So, that is 1. 1 times negative 1, negative 1. 5, 5 times negative 1, negative 5. 6, 6 times negative 1, negative 6, 0. So, mababawasan niya ng isang degree, di ba? So, we have m squared plus 5m plus 6 equals 0. Kasi ginawa na nating m yan. Yun yung auxiliary equation natin. So, parang ito magiging m cubed plus 6m squared plus 11m plus 6 equals 0. So, ito, alam natin ang factors ito ay m plus 2 multiplied by m plus 3 by inspection, mga lodi. So, ano mga values ng m natin? So, we have negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, therefore tatlo. So, kung C1, C2 kanina, we have C1, C2, and C3 for today. For this problem. So, that is y equals C1 e raised to negative x plus C2 e raised to negative 2x plus C3 e raised to negative 3x. So, yan na yung magiging general solution ng differential equation natin. Okay? Sige, isang example naman, gamitan naman natin siya ng IVP. So, yung initial value problem. May value tayo. We need to solve for C para, kasi baka napapansin nyo, puro ganito lang tayo sa general. Try naman natin yung may value, initial value. Okay, so last problem for the distinct roots. So we have find the particular solution. So ito, hinahanap particular na kasi general kapag in terms of constant lang. Kapag particular, may value yung constant natin. So number 3, given daw na b squared minus 2d minus 3 multiplied by y is equal to 0. Ang mangyayari daw, when x is 0, y equals 4 and y prime equals 0. Okay. First step, we have to establish first the auxiliary equation. So, magiging m squared minus 2m minus 3 equals 0. So, we have m minus 3 multiplied by m plus 1 equals 0. So, that is m equals 3, m equals negative 1 mga lodi. So, ano mangyari dyan? So, that is y equals c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to negative x. Pero mga lodi, tandaan po natin na kapag yan yung sagot natin, mali yan kasi particular solution. The particular solution means that yung c1 and c2 natin have values. So, anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? So, substitute mo yung 0 dito. So, that is at x equals 0, y equals 4. So, we have pag 0 to, di ba mga lodi, e raised to 0 is 1. So, that is now 4 equals C1 plus C2. Equation 1. Then, y prime. So, kunin mo yung y prime nito mga lodi. So, that is y prime equals 3 C1 e raised to 3x minus C2 e raised to negative x. Then, substitute mo na ito. X equals 0, y prime equals 0. So, that is 0 equals 3 C1 minus C2. So, from this case, sa equation 2, pwede na natin siyang i-eliminate, di ba mga lodi? So, elimination, so pwede mo i-add to. So, mawawala yung C2. So, that is 4 equals C1 plus 3C1, 4C1. Therefore, C1 equals 1. Ano yung value ng C2 natin? If C1 is 1, tama po ba C2 is 3? 1 plus 3 is 4. So, C2 is equal to 3. Therefore, ano yung magiging final answer natin, mga lodi? So, ibig sabihin, ang magiging final answer natin will be y equals, ano yung C1 natin? 1. E raised to 3x, ano yung C2 natin? Positive 3 plus 3 e raised to negative x. Ito na yung magiging particular solution dun sa problem natin, mga lodi. So, double check natin maigi. So, if y is equal to 4, okay. Then, okay. So, tama yung sagot natin, mga lodi. So, just in case meron kayong questions or clarifications, huwag kayong mahiyang magtanong. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye, mga lodi.